All right, before we get to the weather, we do have some breaking news coming in. We've got Rocky Mountain Power saying a line of strong thunderstorms is moving eastward across the Wasatch Front, and this is causing numerous power outages in Ogden, the Salt Lake Valley, and Uintah County. So as of 6:40 p.m., nearly 16,000 customers were out of service, and crews are working to assess any damage and work on restoring that power. So let's toss it right over to Garrett James with a look at our weather and what the latest is. Hey, Garrett.
Thanks, Courtney. Yeah, those thunderstorms are continuing to race across the Beehive State over into Wyoming, but we're tracking two areas right now. That first area is that line of storms that produced those strong winds that caused the power outages, and seeing reports of a little bit of damage out there as well, mainly just limbs being broken at this present time. However, we've seen some strong wind gusts associated with this line of storms. I'll talk about that more in a minute. This is going to continue racing towards the northeast, eventually out of the area, but not likely for yet probably another hour, if not hour and a half to 2 hours, I'd say at the very latest. But we're tracking another area out further to the west. We can see another severe thunderstorm capable of producing 70-mile-per-hour wind gust is going to be possible. That too is working towards the east-northeast, and just based on its current trajectory, would likely be maybe right around the Ogden area. However, really, I see that it's weakening, and so if it continues to sustain itself, then likely it would eventually impact Ogden or the surrounding area. However, since it's weakening, really going to have to watch to see if it can sustain itself. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Futurecast. Futurecast does show that these are going to be continuing to move towards the northeast. By 9 o'clock, we'll still see a couple showers and storms up towards Logan, west of Salt Lake City. Those are going to continue overnight, but overnight they're just going to trickle back down to just showers, and things will start to calm down. However, heading into the 4th of July, we are going to be looking at thunderstorms developing once again. We can see out towards Vernell, a few thunderstorms out that way, even towards Provo as well. However, these will start to calm down towards nightfall. Should be a-okay for some fireworks and for some of the drone shows that they're going to have for tomorrow. However, towards Wednesday, we might be looking at another slight chance for showers and thunderstorms, but as for tomorrow, we can see the biggest risk for storms is going to be up towards Vernell and Duchesne, even Rock Springs. Then for Wednesday, it shows maybe towards Rock Springs and Vernell, maybe a isolated thunder shower or two. Here's some of these wind gusts. Sunday, it's 84-mile-an-hour wind gusts there, 63 for Bluffdale. Salt Lake City Airport, 58, which 58 miles an hour is the criteria for a severe thunderstorm warning. Let's go ahead and take a look at other warnings, red flag warnings for the southeastern part of the state. And as we head into tomorrow, you're really going to want to avoid any burning at all because of those red flag warnings. Can let some of those controlled burns, such as in those fire pits, get out of control really quickly. Let's go ahead and take a look out over Salt Lake City. We can see clouds overhead, few peaks of sun here and there, dark skies out over Moab, 96 degrees there, and it was a hot one today, triple digits once again in St. George. We take a look out over St. George, we can see temperature still 107 here, 89 Salt Lake City, but in the 70s in Ogden and in Logan. Overnight tonight, going to be looking at temps in the 50s, 60s, and even the 70s for St. George and Moab. Highs tomorrow, 102 Hanksville, 106 Moab, 106 St. George, but 92 Salt Lake City. For the Wasatch Front, going to be looking at temperatures staying in the 90s. Tomorrow, 91, 92 Wednesday, but the mid-90s after that. Then for St. George, going to be looking at the triple digits for the next 7 days. 106 tomorrow.